While sporadic violence continues and displaced individuals are unable to return home, it is important to recognize that the continuation of the internet shutdown, which has been in place for over a month and a half, is not a viable solution. It's time to explore alternative approaches that prioritize dialogue, trust building, and the restoration of basic rights. In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court, in the case of Anuradha Bossan v. Union of India 2020, held that an indefinite suspension of internet services contradicts the law. The court recognized freedom of speech and the freedom to carry out commercial work using the internet as fundamental rights. It emphasized that such suspension should adhere to the principle of proportionality and must not extend beyond a necessary duration. Continuously enforcing a broad internet shutdown in Manipur suggests that the government is using it as a substitute for enforcing law and order, which the court has strongly criticized. To effectively address the situation, it is crucial to restore the confidence of all stakeholders. The request for restoring internet access is legitimate, as the shutdowns have severely affected economic activities and livelihoods. Citizens have been unable to access vital services, such as e-commerce related activities, except for those granted exemptions with government permission. In the backdrop of violent incidents since May 3 and strained relations between different communities, the order seeking to extend the shutdown cite threats to law and order and the role of anti-social elements. However, these reasons fail to explicitly meet the legal requirement of a public emergency or the interests of public safety, as mandated by the Telegraph Act, 1885. In the state of Manipur, an ongoing internet shutdown has raised concerns among citizens and activists alike. Let's take a closer look at the situation and why the government's decision to extend the shutdown lacks merit. The Manipur High Court recently granted limited internet access in designated places after a petition was filed to restore net access. However, the shutdowns have been in effect since the violent conflagration on May 3, with multiple extensions leading to the current order until June 25.